Welcome to Aptitude Learning Session. In this video we would continue the problem solving in train and object. The first question: if the length of the train 100 meter running at the speed of 60 km per hour, then what time it would take to cross a telegraph post? Here, let me check the keyword first. Here train is your first keyword and telegraph post is your another keyword. Then obviously it comes under the point method, the basic that we have seen in the previous video. First, if the train length 100 meter, the train length 100 meter running at a speed of 60 km per hour. Here the speed of the train is what? 60 km per hour. Then what time it would take to cross a telegraph post? Here you just consider this as a telegraph post. Then what time the train takes to cross this telegraph post, you have to find it. What is the formula in a point method? Speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance, that is length of the train, right? According to the point method formula. And now just listen. Here distance in meter but speed in kilometer per hour. You have to convert it all the values in one form. So you will just convert it kilometer per hour to meter per second. So speed equal to 60 kilometer per hour. In order to convert it into meter per second, just multiply 5 by 18 because kilometer is a larger one, meter is a smaller one. If you want to convert it from larger one to smaller one, you will just put the smaller value 5 in the numerator and 18 in the denominator. Just simplify these two. 3 6 or 18 and 1 6 or 6. 50 by 3 meter per second, right? Just apply into the formula. Here the speed equal to 50 divided by 3, that is equal to distance. Distance is length of the train, that is 100 meter, and you have to find the time in seconds. So t equal to 100. If 50 by 3 will go to that side, it will like this. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s is what? 6. So here your answer is 6 seconds. So the train would take 6 seconds to cross the telegraph post. Question number 2. A train running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses the man in 9 seconds. Then its length would be. Here the keyword is train, another keyword is a man, so it obviously comes under the point method. A train running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses the man in 9 seconds. Here the man in how many seconds? 9 seconds they have given. Then its length would be. So we have to find the length of the train. And just listen. Here time they have given in seconds, but speed they have given in kilometer per hour. You have to convert it from kilometer per hour to into meter per second. Speed equal to 60 kilometer per hour. 60 just multiply with 5 by 18, right? Just simplifying these two, what you will get? 50 divided by 3 meter per second. Just apply this speed into the formula. What is the formula for formula in point method? Speed equal to distance divided by time. Here the distance is length of the train and time. Speed is what? 50 by 3 meter per second. Here the distance we have to find, and divided by time, time in 9 seconds. Length of the train, 50 divided by 3, just multiply with 9. Length of the train is 5 3s or 150 in meter. The train length 150 meter running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a man in 9 seconds. Question number 3. A train runs at a speed of 72 km per hour and crosses a 250 meter long platform in 36 seconds. Then what is the length of the train? Let me check the keyword. Train is one of the keyword and here the platform is another keyword. Then obviously it comes under the line method, right? Your train runs at a speed of 72 km per hour. Cross a 250 meter long platform. Here is your platform. The length of the platform is 250 meter. In how many seconds? The train would take 36 seconds to cross this platform. Then what is the length of the train? So we have to find the length of the train here, right? What is the formula in line method? Speed equal to distance divided by time. Here the distance is what? Length of the train plus length of the platform divided by time. And just remember, speed in kilometer per hour, but they have mentioned the distance of the length of platform in meter and t in seconds. So you have to convert it from kilometer per hour to meter per second. So just directly apply into the formula, just 72 into, you will just multiply with 5 by 18 in order to convert it from kilometer per hour to meter per second, that equal to LT. Length of the train, we have to find it. Length of the platform is what? 250 meter divided by time, time in 36 seconds. In order to simplify all these things, you will get the value of the length of the train, right? Four 5s are 20 equal to LT plus 250. Divided by 36. So 20 into 36 LT plus 250. 36 into 2, 720, right? 720 minus 250 equal to here LT equal to, if you subtract 250 from 720, what you will get? That is 250 plus 220, 470 meter. Question number 4. A train 240 meter long passes a pole in 24 seconds. How long it will take to pass a platform 650 meter long? You have to be conscious while reading this question because we have 3 keywords here. The train is one of the keyword and another one is a pole and another one is a platform here. In the question they have mentioned both the techniques, both the methods, both line method and point method they have mentioned in the question. You have to split the question into 2. First, you have to take point method in order to find out the missing value. First, let me take the first sentence. A train 240 meter long passes a pole in 24 seconds. Passes, just consider that it as a pole, passes in pole in how many seconds? 24 seconds, right? And here is what is the missing value here? Speed of the train, right? So we have to find the speed of the train by using the point method formula. So what is the point method formula? Speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance is what? Length of the train divided by time. So in order to find out the speed, just apply the values into the formula. Length of the train is 240 meter and t is in 24 seconds. So here distance in meter, t in seconds. So both is in the same form. You don't want to convert it into other forms, right? Just simplify these. 10 you will get. That is, speed of the train is 10 meter per second. Now you will just substitute this speed into the line method formula. So here, how long it will take to pass a platform in 650 meter long? Just combine the question now. A train 240 meter long. A train 240 meter long. Now, what time it would take to cross the platform 650 meter long? Here is a 650 meter long platform. 650 meter platform, right? Speed we have found already by using the point method. And time we have to find it. What is the formula in line method? Speed equal to distance divided by time. Here the distance is what? Length of the train plus length of the platform divided by time, right? Just apply all the values into the formula. Speed is what? 10 meter per second. That is equal to length of the train is what? 240 meter plus length of the platform is what? 260 meter divided by time. We have to find the time here. And both the length is in meter and here the speed is in meter per second. So then obviously we will find out the time in seconds, right? Uh, 240 plus 650 is what? 600, 700, 800, 850, 890. 890 divided by 10, that is equal to time. Just time equal to 89 seconds. That's it. The train 240 meter long passes a platform 650 meter long in 89 seconds. I hope you understood all the basic problems from train and object. Here I have given 2 practice problems for you. Do it by your own. It will help you to understand this concept better. In upcoming video, we would see some more problems from train and object.